$67,000, $83,000, $88,000, $518,000. Let's go over a pet product making over $500,000 per month on Amazon. The product has high demand and, more importantly, low competition, meaning it's not overly saturated. I'm also going to show you where you can buy the product and how much profit you can make. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process of how I found this product so you can take that and start to discover profitable products that you can start selling and making money on Amazon today. Let's get right into it. So the product is this. It is a dog cover for the back seat. All right. Now I'm going to pop open Jungle Scout, which is the software that helps me to determine whether a product is worthy of selling, whether it's worth it, right? So as we can see up here, there is something called the opportunity score. This shows that there's high demand and low competition. The higher the number, right? The closer the number is to 10, the better the opportunity for this product. So we could see other related products, the monthly revenue are $67,000, $83,000, $88,000, $518,000. That's the product that we are going to mimic, that we are going to source and start selling a similar product, okay? So there's obviously a ton of money to be made, even if you go down $47,000, $164,000, right? $51,000, $344,000, right? There's a lot of money in this market to be made. You don't have to be the top seller to make money with this product. Even if you're making 10, 20% of that $500,000 a month, I'd say you're doing pretty good. So this is a product itself. It's selling for $29.90 or $29.69. So how do we find a product just like this? Well, I'm going to go over to Alibaba. And if you're not familiar with Alibaba, it helps us to source the products that we're looking for, find manufacturers, find suppliers for the products that we want to sell, and have the products made. So I'm simply going to search dog cover for back seat. Now, I also want to do something on the bottom left. I want to sort by verified suppliers, right? I want to make sure that we're getting the best of the best suppliers. I don't want a supplier to take your money and run off with it, or create a product for you and the product isn't what you expect, okay? So as we can see right here, here's the first one for $3.98 to $4.89, depending on the quantity of these covers that we would buy. And you can see right here, it's a verified supplier, exactly what we want. And just to simplify this, all we're doing is buying low and then selling high. We're buying it for $4 a unit and selling it for $29 a unit, right? And there's a lot of in between, right? We're not selling wholesale products. We're putting a brand on our own product. This allows us to profit more and control the listing on Amazon. So no one else can sell this specific listing because we're not selling under this product. We're creating a new listing and we know that there's high demand. There's a lot of searching for this product on Amazon. So we know that people want this. We just have to create a listing around it. All right. So here's the product, right? As we could see, the more quantity we buy, the cheaper it gets. So let's just, for the heck of it, say we're going to buy between 1,000 pieces and up, and the price is $4.70. Let's figure out how much profit we're going to make. After that, I'm going to show you how I found this product. Okay. So if you go over to Amazon's revenue calculator, just search Amazon FBA revenue calculator on Google, and this is going to come up. This is going to give us the detailed numbers of how much profit we can make. So if I go back to this listing of the product that we're going to sell, I'm going to scroll down to the product information, and you can grab this number. This is the ASIN or the ASIN, and it's a unique identifying number to this listing on Amazon. And we're going to pop it into this revenue calculator, and it's going to pull it up, and we're going to be able to determine based on this competitor's listing how much profit we're actually going to make, because it's a near identical product that we're going to be sourcing from Alibaba, from the supplier, right, for $4.70. So as you can see right here, there's two options: Amazon fulfillment and your fulfillment. We want to choose Amazon's fulfillment. This is where Amazon's we're gonna ship the product into Amazon's warehouse. Whenever any unit sells, Amazon employee is going to go pick it, they're going to package it, they're going to ship it. If there needs to be any returns, if there's any customer service that's involved, they are going to handle all of that. It's a hands-off, almost as passive as you can get in a business, okay? as opposed to your fulfillment, which is you selling these products out of your garage, you having to go to the post office or UPS, having to deal with returns and customer emails. The Amazon fulfillment is a much more hands-off process. We are going to pay extra for it, but you will see exactly how much money we can make. So the product is selling for $29.69. Amazon fees are $5.48. Fulfillment costs $8.10. Storage costs 31 cents. Inbounding costs, this is sending the products into Amazon, is 68 cents a unit. And then the cost of goods sold. So based on this listing, right, it says $4.70 between 1,000 units to almost 30,000 units. So this is not the only price. This is just for the price of the product. There's also the shipping, and there's also any tariffs or duties that we have to pay. So just for safety, let's say it's an extra $3 per unit. So it's going to be all in landed cost to us. It's going to be $7.70. Now we can scroll down and see that we have a net profit of $7.46 per unit, or 25% profit margin, okay? That is a pretty healthy profit margin, especially if, like this one, is selling over 600 units per day. 600 units per day times 600 times 7 is $4,200 per day profit they are making. So how exactly did I find this exact product to sell? Well, you're going to think of Amazon like a search engine, but for products, right? It's like Google, but instead of searching for information, people are searching for a product to buy. So I'm going to start with a big keyword, right? This can be dog, this can be living room, it could be car, it could be truck, it could be cat, right? I'm just going to start with dog, and then I'm just going to press space and then randomly start typing in letters. And then there's going to be these auto-filled words. And we're going to go in and just search if there's opportunity around that. So as you can see right here, dog diapers, dog door, dog DNA testing, dog dryer, right? Put F, dog food bowl, dog first aid, dog food mat. All right, then we're going to search it, and then we're going to just pop open Jungle Scout and see if there's any opportunity around this product itself. And that's how you find products that are profitable, that there's opportunity around, but more importantly, that there's low competition and there's not a lot of saturation around, because that is exactly what we want. The last thing that we want to do is find a product that is overly saturated and just cannot make any money, which would be this product, right? It says right here, high demand with high competition. We don't want to sell this product. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.